says. God, when God is not a man that he's mad. What does it imply? Or see, what kind and one hiding? Or any people, the way they are from, you get the kind and not grow. And God is the God of truth. God is the God of truth. So when you see that you look again to one, it's one of the reasons why God keeps prevailing in your mind and in your heart. So when you see that truthfulness, he's not a man that he's lying. Two, he is not the son of man that he should change his mind. Now, what will he do? Why not? Do what happened when he did? And I just no. What? So who do we think? I mean, you could be too one. So together with them, you shake. And when you shake, it opens the door of fear and when fear enters, faith carries it back and walks out. Fear occupies and disaster and destruction begins. So who you think I mean to begin to one? To be able to who push you. I said, oh, so never be slow and the slow to remove the after the back.
Away.
Because only a long to be trained. Faith and fear don't live together. It's not hard for what I said. If you let the dog go, I'll leave the marriage. Cry my papa, we don't know anything else. And I'm not always not to go out. It's not playing now. We are not. If you are about it, completely, and you need to be able to be able to get one of our people. And I'm going to come on with the Amazon, the American Camera. But then you can't come on one when you say, I know. I said, come on in. If you are not going to call you, I mean, I see you come on in the what is what you? I said, what about the come on, go ahead. I'm saying, oh, my dog, come on, you only come on, quite a bit there. Try. If you allow fear into your life, that is what happens. That's why we don't allow fear. Because God is truthful. But God has not changed his mind. And in the first thing that God says that he is the source. Me and Mushra, this happened is that, hey, who can you be able to produce for their Makaro and one Makaro? So, I want to assure you, say, I tell and tell you. Amen. So, when you are in carry, now what you back me, now what you need, I'm going to Cassandra. Amen. I said, I'm going to show. Amen. Because you show one. I said, amen. If I am not free, if I'm going to Papua New Guinea, I said, amen. Amen. So God begins to tell. God is not a man. I am not a man that I will lie. Nor a son of man that I should change my mind. God cannot lie. And so God will not lie. Tell your friend, Nami, all you can throw that. It's what you can throw. Amen. Amen. Two. Nami, on the sun at 3. And the divorce, Nami, on the sun that. On the sun that. On the sun that. On the sun that. He will not change. And you say he does not change. That is his nature. God does not change. Amen. Amen. Now, we also saw, and you will president and we saw on Sunday was Sandra. On Sunday, continuous on Sunday. God has not changed. God will not change. Amen. So he said, says he's not a son of man that he will change his mind. 3, he said that he speak and cannot act. So nyame can and on yet. Then nyame can. Oh yeah. Now shall so again. So he says, so whatever our situation is, if God says I am not a liar, he's saying that he's going to do it. Amen. If God says I have not changed and cannot change and do not change my mind, it means he will do it. Amen. I said, he will come. What he said, so come. And on yet. You never come here. So when I mean, or Shakwa, and I am Memoana, he is asking. So you must answer. Does God change his mind? No, he does not. Does God speak and do not act? No. Does God promise and does not fail? No. When he speaks, he acts. And when he promises, he delivers or he fulfills. Amen. Yanyami kano or yet yanyami sherosu she manubem. Yanyami akambia obey. Amen. So go to 20. Say, I have received a command to bless. He has blessed. And I cannot change. Amen. Now me say if you don't know, I'll put the scripture on Ephesians. I'll put that scripture in the Lord, then you will listen. God has blessed. And so when the man tries to bribe a sorcerer or a diviner to change it, because I have blessed, so you cannot change. Then I make a for you. That's why it is important that we are not ignorant about what we are saying. In my own personal life, 2 things from people who are big and hard have said. One, he says, means that the word of God teaches me that the blessing is from God, it's not from me. Yes. I said, I know the God who blesses. Another person, he says, hey, be careful, walk with your head, not with your head. I said, no. I have to walk with my head. If I walk with my head, that's good. Now the God passed and I'm a shadow just 3 days after. No, we can't. Oh, no, was it? I will do nothing. Never you don't do nothing. Hello. Never you don't do nothing. Only. I see you.